In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove header in Mailchimp. If you're streamlining your email layout, pushing key content higher, or removing a logo bar for a cleaner look, taking out the header section is quick and fully reversible while you're editing. I'll guide you from opening your campaign to saving your changes, and along the way, I'll point out what to look for so you don't accidentally remove the wrong piece of your design. By the end, you'll have a tidy email with more room for what matters. Start by opening Mailchimp in your browser and signing into your account. You'll land on your dashboard, and from here, you'll want to work specifically inside the campaign that contains the email you're editing. If you already have the tab open, great. If not, navigate to the campaigns area using the main navigation. It's best to work on a draft or a copy of a campaign rather than something that's already sent. Sent emails can't be edited, so if yours has gone out before, create a copy and work on that version instead. Once you're in the campaigns area, locate the email where you want the header removed and click to open it. You should see the overview with settings like recipients, subject, and content. Confirm you're looking at the correct email, especially if you use similar names for multiple drafts. If you're working with a template-based email, everything here still applies. The header is just another section within the layout. When you're sure you've got the right one, proceed into the design editor. Open the design builder by choosing Edit Design. This takes you into Mailchimp's visual editor, where the email is laid out in sections and content blocks. Give the editor a moment to load all elements. If you see a split panel with the email preview on one side and options on the other, you're in the right place. This is where you'll make the actual change to remove the header section. In the editor, look for the panel that organizes your layout. Find and click on Sections. Sections control the major horizontal bands of your email, things like header, body, and footer, while content controls individual blocks like images, text, or buttons inside those sections. We're focusing on sections because removing the header at the section level cleans up any content contained inside it in one action. Within the sections list, select Header. The preview area should highlight the top area of your email so you can visually confirm you're targeting the correct section. Typically, the header contains your logo, navigation links, or brand bar. If you see any of those elements highlighted, you're in the right place. Take a quick glance to make sure no critical content has been placed in the header that you meant to keep elsewhere. With the header section selected, open the More Options menu, usually shown as 3 dots. You'll often see this near the section controls or directly on the highlighted area in the preview. This menu is the safest place to remove a full section because it targets the container rather than just the content inside it. If you only delete an image or text block from the header, the empty section could still leave padding or spacing, so use the 3 dots to act on the entire section. Choose Delete from the menu. Mailchimp may ask you to confirm, and once you do, the entire header section is removed from the layout. Don't worry if you change your mind. While you're still in the editor, you can typically undo the last action or re-add a header section later and rebuild it if needed. After deletion, scan the top of your email to make sure spacing looks right and that your first content block now sits where you want it. When you're satisfied, click Save and Exit. This saves your changes and returns you to the campaign overview. From here, consider using the built-in preview or test send to verify the layout looks correct across devices. Keep in mind that mandatory items like the footer with unsubscribe information can't be removed, but the header is fully optional. That's it. Your email now starts cleanly without a header, giving your content a stronger, more immediate impact.